Want to finally crack into mobile advertising with TapMob and actually get approved? This is the express guide. First, head to tapmob.com. Look for the sign up button, typically in the top right corner, and give it a click. Now, for the most crucial part, filling out the application form. Start with your real first and last name. Using fake information is a surefire way to get rejected. Use a professional email address, preferably one associated with your website or business. Avoid generic free email services if possible. Choose a strong, secure password. Something you can remember but that isn't easily guessable. Write it down if you need to. Provide your Skype or Telegram ID. TapMob uses this for communication, so make sure it's active and you check it regularly. This is key. Enter your website URL. Make sure your website is professional, functional, and contains relevant content related to mobile advertising, apps, or marketing. A blank or incomplete website will likely result in rejection. Detail your traffic sources accurately. Be honest about where your traffic comes from, whether it's paid advertising, organic search, social media, or other networks. Transparency is crucial. Clearly describe the promotional methods you intend to use. Mention specific strategies like app install campaigns, incentivized offers, or content marketing. Read the terms and conditions carefully, and if you agree, check the box. Finally, click Submit. You should see a confirmation message. Now, be patient. Approval can take some time. Keep an eye on your email and Skype, Telegram for updates from TapMob. Good luck.